Question 5. A centrifugal pump with 10 horsepower operates at speed of 1400 RPM and head of 70 pounds. When the pump speed is reduced to 900 RPM, what is new head in feet? So in order to solve this question, we go to pump affinity laws. And for this question, we're looking at the head pressure. So our formula for the head based on speed is going to be H2 head at point 2 equals to head at point 1, speed at point 2 over speed at point 1 to the second power. Now, we're looking for H2 in this case. Our H1 was 70 feet. Our new speed is going to be 900 RPM. And our original speed was 1400 RPM to the second power. These units cancel out. And our head will be equal to 29 feet. And that's our final answer.